Hello guys, so my phone is finally charged, and oh my god, it's not like it takes a million years, but actually, all it is that, yeah, we just couldn't find a charger. So, yeah, and by the way, that is the back of my phone cover, cover of my phone. You can see it right there. Hold up. Can any of you see that bug? That thing. Okay, but anyway, if this video can just reach 10 likes, I will do a Minecraft video, a Minecraft video. Well, because just 10 likes, because, well, I'm not very popular, so, yeah. And, by the way, if I show anything that can be showing as copywriting, it's not my fault. Okay, because I like to show stuff that my sister is doing, and she might be watching YouTube, and that counts as copywriting, so it's a problem. And by the way, if I can also get 10 subscribers, then I will do a LBP video of Geometry Dash. I'll find the top 10, and I'll make some Minecraft creations, like a advanced piston door, because I know how to make it. So, yeah. But anyways, let's get on to the real video. So, yeah. I am watching Mumbo Jumbo right now, and just hold on. Alright, I'm gonna create another Minecraft video, because I'm gonna be creating another technically, because I'm gonna be creating one. This will be my first one. I was playing Minecraft, and I like to practice, if I haven't told you that, by the way. I believe I have in like my first video, but yeah, this has been going on for literally 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, by the way, my flipping dog took a crap in the middle of my floor. Oh. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Timmy. Oh my god, this cat is so cute. By the way, we have another cat, and we found a baby bird in our backyard. And the whole video is about this baby bird that we found in our backyard. There, as you can see, are the birds, which right now we're about to attack me, so I'm just gonna flip it and leave. There's a baby bird. We put it in our fence thing, our cat carrier,